Hello my loves, Cyn Doll here coming at you with another video, and in this video we're going to do a silk press on natural hair. And before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you are notified every time I post another video. Now I'm not going to talk you guys to death in this video because you know it's self-explanatory, but I just wanted to come on here and say hey girl, hey, and say that I appreciate you so very much, and that there is so much more on the way. But in the meantime, in between time, you know, get into this and check out all of my other videos in the playlist below and catch up. See you tomorrow or the same day, because I got a whole bunch of videos so you can go watch another one. Okay, bye.
You farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling to sleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should've known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should've known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should've known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should've known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you.
Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my time, no. So don't try me one more time, yeah, yeah. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. Ooh, I deserve it all. Ooh, someone that truly matters. Ooh, that loves no matter what. Oh, so tired of them guys thinking they got me figured out. You think you're good to go, yeah, yeah. But guess what? I don't think so, no. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted.